Hi yogis, I'm Diana. Welcome to today's meditation. Come to a comfortable seated position. Shift your hips from side to side, feeling grounded on your hip bones. You can choose to sit in half lotus or full lotus. If that does not feel comfortable for you, you can have one foot in front of the other. Or you can place one foot on top of the other leg. Slowly shift your weight to the back of your hip bone. Inhale your navel to your spine, sitting up tall and straight, all the way to the crown of your head. Place your hands into Gyan Mudra, your thumb touching your pointer finger and your middle finger. Place your hands on your knees. Inhale fully. Exhale completely. Inhale, allow your lungs to completely fill. Exhale, release, pushing the air up and out. Slowly find your breath. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 3. Continue your breathing until you reach 10. Once you've reached 10, start over to 1. There is no goal. There is no prestige. We just simply breathe, using each inhalation and exhalation to focus our mind and our body. Thoughts may start to arise, but let it take its course. Acknowledge whatever the thought is and let it go. If your thinking becomes too distracting, return to your breath. Return to your breath and start counting, reaching to 10 and returning to 1. Continue to focus on your breath, counting 1 to 10. Sitting tall and proud, finding balance. Relaxing your shoulders, your knees, your neck. Find the focus in your breath and the comfort that it gives. Find stillness in your body. Inhaling 1, exhaling 1. Inhale 2, exhale 2. Inhale 3, exhale 3. Inhale 4, Exhale 4. Inhale 5. Exhale 5. Inhale 6. Exhale 6. Inhale 7. Exhale 7. Inhale 8. Exhale 8. Inhale 9. Exhale 9. Inhale 10. Exhale 10. Returning back to 1. Sometimes the noises around us are distracting, but with our breath we find focus. With our breath we find peace. Our breath gives us comfort. Our breath gives us life. We are attached to this world. We are part of this world. We are created by this world. Embrace all the sounds around you. Embrace all the sounds within you, the thoughts within you. Inhale to acknowledge these thoughts, and with your exhale, let them go. Just like your breath, the air in your lungs are not permanent. They come and go, just as your thoughts do. We're going to slowly start coming back to consciousness. Take a deep inhale, filling your lungs with all that beautiful air. Exhale to release your hands back to your knees, releasing your mudra. Bring your hands to your heart. Thank you for letting me lead you through this Anapanasati meditation. Namaste.